Hello everyone. What you're seeing in the video is our closed-type fin press machine, model KFP60. This high-performance piece of equipment is being prepared for shipment to Europe, and we are currently conducting a rigorous factory acceptance test to ensure it meets the stringent quality standards required by our international clients. Designed specifically for heat exchanger manufacturing, this fin press is engineered to process fins matching copper tubes with an outer diameter of 9.52 mm. In today's test, we are utilizing aluminum foils with thicknesses of 0.2 mm and 0.25 mm, which yield corresponding fin hole flange heights of 8.0 mm and 9.0 mm respectively. These precise dimensional parameters guarantee optimal heat transfer efficiency and structural stability for the final heat exchanger assemblies.